Hello friends, welcome in my channel Code with Bhupendra. Today we discuss how we can make a function friend of two classes. Friends, my name is Bhupendra Khilrani. So let's start. Objective of this video. We cover how we make a function friend of two classes, example program, how it works, and about upcoming videos. If you do not know what is friend function, you can see my previous video which is recorded in Hindi, Sindhi and English with following URLs. Friend functions. We have to remember some points to design friend function. Point 1. Only declaration of friend function comes inside the class along with friend keyword. It always require object of a class as a parameter so that we can access private members. Point 3. Its definition comes outside the class just like normal function. That means you do not have to use class name and description operator. Point 4. It is called like normal function. That means you do not have to use dot operator. Example program. In this program, we add two private members of different classes. To achieve it, I am using code blocks, but you can use Turbo C or any other compiler ID. So let's start programming. First of all, I am performing include IOStream. Then using namespace, which is required in code blocks to use coutc. Class A having private member X. In public section, I am defining a function input so that I can ask user to enter value of X. Now I am declaring a friend function add with parameter of class A and class B. Since we didn't create class B, we have to perform forward declaration here. We need to inform to the compiler that B is also a class that we are going to define later. Now we have to create class B having a member Y, and now we are asking the user to enter value of Y. Now again we have defined a friend function here. Here point 1 and point 2 of friend function satisfied. Point 1 is we have to use friend keyword. Point 2 is we require object of a class as a parameter. Now according to the point 3rd, we need to give definition outside the class. Now we are giving definition here. We are creating a local variable C which is equal to obj1.x. Now here X is private, but we are accessing it since it's a friend function, and obj2.y. Again it's a private member. Now we are displaying result. Now we have to design main function since execution begins with main. Here I am creating two objects, one of class A and one is of class B, and calling input function to take some input. Finally, I am calling add function, which is a friend function and which requires two objects, object 1, object 2. Here point 4 will get satisfied. Calling friend function. Program is ready. I have already saved the program, so I am compiling it and executing it. First it is asking for value of X, say 9. Value of Y, say 2. So the result is 11. Now how it is working? We have designed class A and class B with members X, Y. Input function which is taking X and Y. In both the classes we have defined a friend function as per the point 1 and point 2. Here dash represent the first parameter of class A. The second dash represent object of class B. When we execute the program, entry is performed from main where we have created two objects, object 1, object 2. We have called input function so that we can take value of x and y. And finally we have called add function with parameters obj1, obj2. Now these objects are available here. And we are adding x and y. And finally displaying C. Now task for you. The first task is you can design a class circle like class A with private member radius like x. Similarly, you can design class rectangle in place of B with private members length and breadth. Now you have to design a friend function compare like add, which finds area of both the circle and rectangle by accessing their private properties and prints which of them is larger by comparing their area. Second task, in place of class A, you can read class employee with private member name and salary. In place of class B, read class bonus with a private member amount. Now, design a friend function, calculate in place of add, that will add salary and amount from bonus to find the total salary. In upcoming videos, I will cover friend class, disinheritance, top-down and bottom-up design approach. Thanks friend for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and like. Goodbye.